Namaskar, Assalamu Alaikum, and a big hello to all my viewers out there. I'm Dr. Ashish Chauhan, consultant physician and diabetologist from Apollo, and I have this very interesting question from Embreen Fernandez. Can the diabetics have betel leaves? Yes, being Indian, good number of us are addicted to pan chewing or tobacco or smoking or alcohol, and pan chewing is very common habit which we have it, that is betel nut or betel leaves consumption. And the simple answer is no. So you need to understand that even when the sugars are controlled, your immunity is weak as compared to non-diabetics. So when you're having a betel leaves, you are exposing the teeth and the whole oral cavity to something which will be troubled whenever the sugars are uncontrolled. These things get stuck between the teeth and finally cause the tooth decay as well as gum infections or the periodontitis. So for a diabetic patient, strictly no and no for smoking, tobacco products or betel nuts. Yes, and what do we need to know? A diabetic should have a good oral health, because oral health is almost like having good overall health. And that can be done only and only by going to your dentist regularly, every 6 months, even when you do not have any complaints, getting the scaling done and making sure there's regular flossing and brushing 3 times a day or whenever you have consumed your food. So teach that to yourself, to your friends and family, and stay happy, stay healthy, and stay smiling always. You know what? If you're consuming betel nuts or betel leaves, you cannot have the blessed smile. Obviously the teeth are stained and they will be infected. So if you want to maintain that good smile, make sure you are staying away from betel nut or betel powder. You're having good sugar control, and then you will see the reflection on the face, where the healthy face will be shown in your personality. And that's what we all are all about. Take care. God bless. Thank you, Dr. Ashish Chauhan, consultant physician from Apollo.